Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about median, how to write cumulative frequency distribution of the less than type. This is 10th standard mathematics statistics. See, before going to the calculation of the cumulative frequency distribution table, we are going to discuss briefly about the median. What is meant by median? The median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Hence, to calculate this median, we need to know some calculations, that is less than type and then more than type calculations, and then less than type cumulative frequency distribution table, how to write this, then more than type cumulative frequency distribution table, how to write. We can look it one by one. See, the first one is how to write cumulative frequency distribution of the less than type. Now I drawn on table which contains the 4 columns, that is marks, number of students, marks obtained, number of students, that is cumulative frequency. Here the data is given marks from 0 to 10, how many students are there, the marks of the students obtained from 0 marks to 10 marks. How many students are obtained? There are 5 students, they got the marks between 0 and 10. In the same way, 3 students, they got the marks from 10 to 20, and 4 students have got the marks from 20 to 30. Then 3 students, they got marks between 30 and 40. Then 3 students, they got 40 and 50, and 4 students got 50 and 60. And then here the data is given. Look at the data: 7, 9, 7, 8. Then the marks obtained from 0 to 100. Here the table is given. Look at the table, the marks and number of students. Then while writing the cumulative frequency distribution of the less than type, means how many students they got the marks less than 10, means more than 0 and less than 10. There are how many students are there? 5 students are there. Then cumulative frequency, here the 5 is there like this only, 0, 5. Then for the second one, less than 20, how many students are there? Less than 20, 0 to 10, 5 students are there. 10 to 20, 3 students are there. Total number of students 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8. Then in the same way, third row, how many students are there? Less than 30. How many students they got the marks less than 30? How many students? The 4 plus 8, that is equal to 12. Then how many students they got the marks less than 40, means more than 0 and less than 40. Then 12 plus 3, how many students? 15 students got the marks less than 40. Then how many students they got the marks less than 50? That is 15 plus 3, that is equal to 18. Next, how many students they got the marks less than 60? That is 4 plus 18, that is 22. Next, how many students they got the marks less than 70? That is 22 plus 7, that is equal to 29. Then how many students they got the marks less than 80? 29 plus 9, that is equal to 38. Then how many students they got the marks less than 90? 38 plus 7, that is equal to 45. Then how many students they got the marks less than 100? That is 45 plus 8, which is equal to 53. Then here 53 is the number of students, the total number of students is the 53, that is number of students cumulative frequency. Here 5, 8, 12, 15, 18, 22, 29, 38, 45, 53. These are all the cumulative frequencies. Next, here the distribution given above is called the cumulative frequency distribution of that less than type. We are written the table in the above. I explained it is the distribution given above is called the cumulative frequency distribution of the less than type. Here the value 10, 20, 30, 40 up to 90, 100 are the upper limits of the respective class intervals. We must know the less than type distribution table. There should be a 10, 20, 30 up to 90, 100 are the upper limits of the respective intervals, class intervals, the upper limits. For the distribution of the more than type, here the lower limits of the respective class intervals will coming under that type. Hence it is the class intervals and the number of students, CF, cumulative frequencies of the all the students, 53 students. Okay, in next video I'm going to discuss with you the cumulative frequency distribution of the more than type. Thank you.